Welcome to a new tutorial video of TechTube everyone. In this video I'm going to show you the simple steps on how to send Soundmoji on Facebook Messenger. Soundmojis are emojis but in the form of sounds. So to send in these Soundmojis, you can first open up your Messenger app and then tap open the chat where you want to send in the Soundmojis. Once you open up the chat, you can tap on the emoji option on the bottom right. And this is the normal emoji that we use. Now on the right side of it, you'll see this sound icon. If you tap on it, these are all the Soundmojis that are available. So you can hear them by pressing on them and their sounds will play. Now to send them, you can just tap on send and these Soundmojis will be immediately sent. And whenever the other person taps on these Soundmojis, they will also be able to hear the sound. And there you go. That's how exactly you can send in Soundmojis on your Facebook Messenger. If you guys found this video helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.